My name is Curtis Benson. I'm with Southeastern Steel Manufacturing Co, SSMC, in Statesville, North Carolina. I'm a senior account manager there. What stood out to me with Shurco to partner with them was when I met Mr. Frazier at Waste Expo in 2024. I went to the booth. He showed me the Tarp gantry systems they had. He was very kind. He was friendly, professional, and we established that relationship. We went over the quality of the products, went over the parts availability, the structure of how it all works. He showed me from top to bottom how the system operates. And to me, that was something I wanted to use for my customers. For a partnership to work well, it has to have some give and take both ways. It can't be a one-sided affair. One side has to support the other one has to support this one. Also, when there's events, there's marketing to do, co-branding is important, and meeting in the center aisle and helping each other brands get exposure and grow. At SSMC, our alignment with Shurco is going to be for the long haul, and that's truly because of the customer service, also the quality.